Hello everyone! So in this video, pag-usapan natin ang Jisu Life Life 9. Ito yung budget-friendly version ng Jisu Life Ultra 1. So what is included in the box? Ayan, nakasulat naman dito. Yung fan, a USB Type-C charging cable, tsaka yung lanyard. So unlike with the Jisu Life Ultra 1, tsaka ng Pro 1S, which itong gamit na, itong binigay nila na free, pang wrist. No? This time, it's a lanyard. Kaya, tingnan muna natin yung specs. So, ang input voltage ng charging niya is 5 volts to ampere. Ang capacity ng battery is 5,000 milliampere. And what else? Okay, so ito yung itsura. Same na same lang ng Ultra 1. No? And ayun, 5 speed. So, wala na yung 1 to 100% na fan speed. So, 5 speed ang options mo for this fan. Okay, and up to 18 hours of battery life according sa Jisu Life. Okay, so unbox natin. It's a small box. Ito yung mga kasama. So since this is budget friendly, medyo kakaunti ang freebies na kasama. Okay, so this is the lanyard. Just a generic ribbon type na lanyard, no? Pinahilang. So, unlike with the other versions, medyo may konting bakal. So, this is all plastic and ribbon. Type-C cable and the manual. Okay? So, lagyan natin sa gilid. This is the Jisu Life 9. Okay. Yung isang kaibahan niya with the Ultra 1, wala kang makikitang display. So, tingnan natin yung weight niya para at least aware kayo kung gaano ito kabigat kapag binitbit niyo na. Around 164 grams. Okay? So, medyo magaan to compared with the other fans of Jisu Life kasi made out of course, it's made out of plastic kaya medyo mas mababa yung price. Even the blade na nasa likod is made out of plastic. So, which contributes to the very, I'll show you my chested Jisu Life fan na natutuklap na. This is Jisu Life FA20. This name is mini handheld fan. So, sobrang liit. So, feeling ko ito ang kalaban niya. Say with the size and the weight. 3 modes. Ito, merong 5. So, on natin, this is 1. Medyo mahina, no? Ayan. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. Medyo may power na. Okay. 3. Ayan, medyo malakas-lakas na. 4. Alis di ko na mahawakan yung papel. And 5. Ayan. Okay. Tignan natin tong mini fan. 1. Magana na yan? 1. 2. 3. Okay. Yun lang. So, ang unang-unang napansin natin, syempre, since ganito yung itsura ng kanyang blade, focus ang hangin. So, malakas at focus. Ito, sabog at medyo kalat yung hangin na lumalabas sa kanya. So, kung gusto mong yung light breeze ng ang nararamdaman mong fan o yung hangin, ganito klase kailangan. But if you want something na medyo mas focus, mas malakas yung buga ng hangin, this is the Jisu Life 9. So, ano pa yung features niya? Of course, Type-C. Lagay ng lanyard. Tapos, merong switch, kill switch, no? So, kapag nakapunta ka sa 0, off. Kahit anong gawin mo pindot, hindi gagana. Kahit i-hold mo siya. Oh. Pag naka 1, tsaka lang siya magta-turn on. Tapos magkakaroon ng bright LED. Ayan. Okay. So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, one problem of this fan, walang way for you to know kung ilan na lang yung battery na probably to cut cost, they remove an LED na LED display. So, wala rin talaga rito. Siyempre, that is a price to pay. Mas mura to. At ang kinikater talaga ng fan na to is yung mga nagtitipid or yung budget conscious na gusto lang magdala ng maliit na fan na malakas yung buga ng hangin. Also, kinikater nito yung mga taong mas gusto yung mas compact na device or compact na fan. Kasi with the Ultra One, it's really heavy. I think almost 1/4 na siya ng a kilo. So around 250 grams. And it's quite heavy kasi nga made out of aluminum, metal. Same with the Pro 1S. Medyo mabigat din siya. So ito talaga sobrang gaan. And similar to any other Jisu Life fan, you could actually remove this plate here para you have access to the battery. So kung masira man yung battery nyo, kunyari matagal na sa inyo ito, 2 to 3 years na, you could actually replace the battery. It can be clip off, no? Ayun, may ano siya, may groove. Kapag kinlip off mo ito, makukuha mo yung battery and you could replace it. This is a very budget friendly fan. I'm sure right now naka discount pa to, and if you could get a good deal, I'll probably put a link on the description sa mga gustong makita yung deal. You could buy this directly from Jisu Life, Shopee Mall. So just for those who want to get this. Level 1, medyo mahina lang. Breeze, light breeze, no? Ayan. Light breeze. Level 2, oops, level 2, yeah, medyo lumalakas na. Level 3, oops, level 3, level 4, okay, level 4 yan, okay, level 5, that is level 5. Okay, nawala na yung mga dahon. Napunta sa akin yung ano. That is level 5. Okay? Level 1. So, hindi siya ganun kalakas. Level 2. Level 3. Okay. Level 4. Level 5. Okay. Level 5. So this is the Jisu Life Life 9 portable fan. Sobrang liit, magaan. Malakas din yung buga ng hangin nito. Although hindi siya kasing laki ng Pro 1S or even the Ultra 1. Pero, sa portability naman, sobrang sulit na to. At kasyang-kasya tong pag sinuot mo to, in this way, mabibit-bit mo yung fan anywhere you go. Ang isang comment ko lang, sana, imbis na sa likod yung butas, nilagay nila sa harapan. Bakit? Tuwing nakasabit siya sa leeg and I want to use this on the go, kita mo yung tsura. Nakababa yung fan, no? Yung pinaka-blower niya, papunta rito, no? Nakatagilid, as you can see, tagilid. Pag gagamitin ko na siya, nakatalikod, no? So, kailangan ko siyang ibaliktad ng ganon. Anong mangyayari? Lalapit siya masyado sa mukha ko. Gaano kalapit. So, in a way, magagasgas mo yung gilid ng fan. At the same time, sobrang liit ng clearance, no? So, sobrang dikit siya sa mukha mo. This is a blower type. So, pag blower type, medyo focus yung buga ng hangin. So, hanggat maaari sana, medyo malayo sa'yo yung fan. Ang maganda sana kung ganito siya kalayo. At least may way ka to adjust yung lamig na pupunta sa katawan mo. So, yun lang isang comment ko. Sana nasa harap talaga yung pinakabutas. But of course, you could use some aftermarket na hawakan, no, 3D printed, no, just to give you some clearance between the lanyard and the fan. But in the end, this is a very portable fan. You could use it everywhere. So, sobrang daling-dali. Minsan kahit nakamotor ako, bit-bit ko lang to sa leeg ko. Pag mainit, labas ko. Number 5. Okay? So, we'll end the video here. Hope to see you in the next one. Ingat. Bye-bye!